Uh, so in this video, we will work on using the API, and this is our basically workflow two. So uh, workflow two or three, no issues. So we will work on the API. Okay. So first of all, I am going to trigger manually. I'm going to call one node, that is trigger manually. Okay. So trigger manually. I think there is another. What is this? Okay, so MongoDB, this is the MongoDB. Okay, so no worries. So we can. There's a one shortcut. Whenever you didn't see anything like this type of thing, whenever you click on the button in your keyboard one, so it will comes on the middle. So or another thing is whenever I click on no, click on one, it will comes to the middle of this of your programs or of your workflow. So after that, I'm going to add a weather node, that is it is here weather, open weather map. So I'm going to return current weather data. Okay, so here we have to be create credentials. So basically I already added a credentials here, so I'm going to delete it. So whenever when we get the data, so I'm going to, let's say, search on the weather API. Let's say weather API. Okay, so open weather map. So this is the open weather map API. So I'm going to already I'm going I already created an account here. So I'm going to down here and my API keys. So there it will be a default API keys. Okay, so I think this is not exactly paid. We can use 1000 API calls per day for free, and after that there will be the pricing for the API limit. So 1000 API will be the free. So at this moment we are going to, let's say, click on the this API key. Okay, so after that I'm going to my uh, uh, credentials here, click on the create new credentials and just paste the API key and save. Okay, so after that I want to be go here and the city name. So you can use the zip code as well as city name. So I'm going to the city name, let's say Dhaka, comma Bangladesh, BNGLADS, Bangladesh. So if I going to execute it, I hope it will return me a data. Okay, so there is a JSON format data and there is schema data as well. Okay, so we just triggered the manually, and we just get the weather API as well. So we just connect the credentials and we get all of those data. Okay, so after that, okay, so I'm going to, let's say I'm going to send an email to my email account. Okay, no, I'm going to add a AI. Let's say I'm going to add a AI. So Gemini. Okay, so no, not necessary to get the AI. So I'm going to add a Gmail here. Okay, so I'm going to send a message. So as well as we have an account. Okay, so this is the message, send message, and two, this is my account. So I want to get the update email every day. So let's say message, so weather update, TS, weather TS, weather updates. Okay, so weather updates. So what's the message? So I'm going to, let's say, hello, and after that I'm going to expand it. So not exactly expand. Okay, so yeah, sorry, I'm going to expand it. So there is like lots of data here, so I don't need all of those data. Hello, so today weather is like, here is a temperature is 31.99. So temperature is 30.99. Okay, so this is the temperature. Weather is okay, so 30 point and you feel like, okay, so there is, you feel like, okay, so this is the feel like. Okay, so I feel like, so you feel like 37.99 temperature. Okay, so there's a lots of things you can add, humidity and also the pressure, also the temperature max 31 degrees Celsius, as well as a name. So uh let's say in, let's say I'm going to, this is the Dhaka. Okay, so like okay, thanks. You can email the format as well as okay, so I'm going to add one thing. So as I'm getting those data here, so let's say I'm getting all of this data here, so this is the copy. So okay, I'm going to chat GPT, let's say chat.openai. I'm going to add a new chat. Okay, so here all of the JSON data I get regarding weather. Mm, now create for formal email. Formal email. Let's say there is a spelling mistake, so no problem. So okay, so humidity, pressure, cloud coverage. So I'm using Anatan, so make it for Anatan. Make it for and 8n, so I think he will give as well as the value is the JSON format. Here is the annotated version for it. Okay, so JSON that weather item, so I think all of those things will be properly. Okay, so copy, I'm just copy the data here from here. I'm going to go there and I'm going to expand it. Let's say I'm close it. So what will be the output? Okay, so you see that here is a h, all of those data is properly. So you see that there's a strong li, so all of those things whenever it's get to the whenever it's go to the email, then data will be properly formatted. Okay, so I'm going to remove sorry, I'm going to remove this slide. So I'm not getting the automated by automated by Anatan. So their team, no, not exactly team, I'm going to add here their Siam. So Siam. So basically, this is the dynamic format of the data. JSON dot name. So JSON dot says the country. I mean, the country is Dhaka, Bangladesh. Okay, so JSON dot weather or dot main. Okay, so the description as well as the all of those things data. So if I going to, let's say, execute this step, it will throw the message in my email. So what I'm going to execute a step. Let's see. Okay, let's check on my mail here. Okay, I'm going to click on my Gmail node here. Okay, so see, there is a weather update. Dear Siam, find the weather below in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Condition H, temperature ato, humidity ato, pressure ato, and with this, all of those things, this is the proper format of this data. So this email automatically sent by Anatan. As we know that we can push it up from the here, add options, pen attributions on Anatan, just to be off here. So we can, what can we do? We can schedule it. Let's say schedule trigger SC. This is the schedule trigger. So days, I'm going to every days. I'm going to get it morning, like 6 a.m. and yeah. So these things I want every day at every day at, every day at 6 a.m. It will automatically send me send me a message to my email that this is the weather update of the data. So whenever we execute this step, and it will automatically send to my email as well. So another, I think there is another email comes weather update. So yeah, so I hope all of you guys enjoy it, and yeah, you can you must be practice from your end, and yeah, thank you.